morning. You are in the intensive care unit. I'm Fatima, the nurse who will take care of you.
Hi, my name's Lali. I am little kid. I have never been sick.
Don't worry, we will take very good care of you.
Thank you.
We are monitoring your heart rate, your EKG, your blood pressure, and your blood oxygen levels. The monitor is programmed to signal the nurse. So when you hear the sound, don't worry, we will come right away. We will also do blood tests and electrocardiograms every 6 to 8 hours. You have to stay in bed and rest because the clothes interfere with our work.
Okay.
If you need anything, you can ring the bell. For example, if you feel uncomfortable, if you have a chest pain, or if you need something to drink, let me know.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
If I need go to the bathroom, what shall I do?
Don't get up. You should use the bedpan. I will leave a ring bottle.
What time can I eat?
Today you cannot eat because of your chest pain.
Can I use my cell phone?
Yes, you can use it. I will bring it to you right now. If you need anything else, press the button. I will be around.
Okay, thank you.